There are few sports cars on the road today as instantly recognisable as the Porsche 911. Now we're here with one of the latest models, the 911 GTS, and it offers a stripped-back driving experience more like that offered by Porsches of old. This latest 911 shape is a rounded evolution of the original 911 styling. This GTS model gets the wider arches and body kit usually reserved for Porsche's four-wheel drive models, while the racing-inspired centre-lock wheels come straight from the turbo model. It's a very pretty car, both on pictures and in the flesh. Further visual elements specific to the GTS include smoked headlamp glass and a blackened exhaust, as well as that look at me electric rear spoiler. The interior of the Porsche 911 is a convincingly nice place to be. These sport seats offer plenty of support, and the steering wheel can be adjusted in a variety of ways, meaning I can get it just how I like it, which in my case is right up in my chest. There's lots of leather used throughout, and it all feels very well put together, though our test car did develop an annoying rattle over the course of 100 miles. As you'd imagine with a small, powerful sports car, practicality isn't top of the agenda. There are 4 seats, though the rear ones are really only suitable for children. The boot at the front, or frunk as a lot of people call it, only offers 145 litres of space, but it's quite deep, meaning you can pack a surprisingly good amount of luggage in there. You won't be taking any flat pack furniture home, however. A lot of people kicked up a fuss when it was revealed that the latest generation 911 would be using a turbocharged engine. However, those were quickly put to one side when it was revealed that this latest unit is just as effective. Now yes, you do lose some of that visceral, naturally aspirated experience, but what you get in its place is a huge amount of performance. This car in particular feels really, really good. The 7-speed gearbox, 7 speeds, has a really nice mechanical throw to it, and all of the control weights have been expertly well judged. And then of course, you've got a huge amount of performance whenever you need it, and in pretty much any gear. The steering has been nicely judged, which means it's got plenty of weight to it, and it's really accurate, so you can place the car exactly as you want it on the road. You also get a sports exhaust in this particular car, and that gives you a slightly more sporting noise than you get in the standard car. The Porsche 911 is all about evolution. After all, it couldn't stay as a small, air-cooled car from the 1960s. This latest 911 is more rounded than ever, both in terms of the way it looks and the way it drives. This GTS in particular is a real knockout and shows what Porsche can do with the very latest technology at its disposal.